Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, as most of you may know, we are all anticipating Shibarium, that final piece of Shibarium. Right now, we're in beta version and things are looking very interesting. As you know, we have been hit a little bit by all the events, but that created a massive opportunity. So this is why I'm making this video. I want to tell you about this crazy thing that is going on right now. So as you know, we're dipping, especially with Bone. Okay, prices are going down and that is creating opportunity. Some may panic, some may freak out, they leave the system, the ecosystem, but we are actually very glad because this gives us an opportunity to load up one last time before the big event. Okay, and some of you, okay, may have the money, but others may not have all the money, and actually have a very interesting solution for you guys. So pay attention to this one because this could be a massive game changer, guys. You know, having that bag nice and heavy before Shibarium is crucial. So I found a very interesting platform, okay, Coinrabbit. Now this is a crypto landing platform, okay, with unlimited loan term and with a lot of coins if you guys are in other things as well. So if you are expecting some big events to come out, this is the place, okay? And this is a very interesting strategy for you guys, tactic, call it whatever you want, but we got to think outside the box. For those of you that may not have that much money, or that have a big game plan needed to be executed, because as we know, Bone, for example, and all the other tokens within the SHIB ecosystem will be exploding once the final piece of Shibarium comes out. But we are, a lot of us are eager to have that bag nice and heavy, but it's not always the case because, due to some constraints, due to lack of funds. So this could be a massive game changer for you guys. So as you guys see it, we've got this platform which is called Coinrabbit.io, where you could actually borrow, okay, now and hold for later. So you can send collateral, you can get funds. They work with a lot of coins, okay, so including Bone Shiba Swap. They've also got Shiba Inu. So all that stuff is provided here. You can choose your LTV, okay, the loan to value ratio. You can see how much you get funds. So if you were to type in, I don't know, 10 ETH, how much would you get in USDT? Now, the loan term, okay, is unlimited, okay, and the monthly interest could be around 12% APR. So that's already been reduced from 16%. And there could be more changes. So this is definitely a very interesting platform, guys, to get some instant funds against your cryptos, getting those extra bits that may be required because that your investments will be going 100 times in the future. So you might as well take a few moves. You might make a few moves because things are really starting to pop off now. If you are looking to grow your portfolio, perhaps this is one of the greatest places, guys. Honestly, this has been set up for cryptos. So let's just see what and this is all about. I'm going to give you some more info. Now, how do you borrow cryptocurrency? Okay, so you calculate your crypto loan. Then you get your crypto loan within minutes, which is, amazing, astonishing, and then you just start spending and get back your collateral. So as simple as that. I mean, these steps couldn't get easier. So if you are seeing it and you have a big vision ahead, something's going to explode in price, and that you could make a lot of money out of it, hey, this is the place to be at. These are all the coins, all the tokens, everything they work with. already approved, already a lot of talk about it, a lot of reviews. Now if you want more information, here you've got everything. So let me just go over this. So how does a crypto loan work? Like I've said, you choose the conditions, the crypto coin as collateral, the coin in which you want to get your crypto backed loan and LTV. You specify the address you want to get your cryptocurrency loan at and the deposit collateral. You can also close the loan whenever you want to return the amount of credit and interest and then get back your collateral. Okay, so it gives you that flexibility, guys. The fact that you can return the amount of credit and interest and then get back your collateral, it just gives you that extra breath of fresh air. So what is your APR and how is it calculated? I mean, that is a very important, percentage. So the annual percentage rate depends on the selected crypto loan currencies and ranges from 12 to 17%. Undoubtedly, they're not all going to be the same, but that's fine. I mean, the crypto interest is calculated monthly from the time the cryptocurrency loan was taken and is included in the repayment amount. And then how quickly can I get the crypto loan? How quickly will you refund me the collateral? So it takes around 50 minutes, okay? So depending on how fast they receive your loan collateral, and the average period of returning your collateral is 1 hour. And the majority of funds is stored in the system of cold wallets, okay? So very important here, cold wallet. So what if collateral currency rate changes after you get a crypto loan? That's a very interesting question here. So the collateral currency rate doesn't affect the repayment amount of the loan. When you repay the crypto loan, they will return you the same amount of cryptocurrency as deposited. So if your collateral size is 1 Bitcoin, you'll get back 1 Bitcoin irrespective of its current market price. Okay? So that's a very good deal, guys. So this is the fundamental value they provide. You can get some money now and as a loan, while your main long-term investment crypto stays with you and keeps bringing you profits. Okay, so although if the rate of the crypto collateral currency reaches the liquidation level, the collateral will be automatically liquidated and the cryptocurrency loan will be closed. But you shouldn't worry, because they will notify you multiple times when the current rate approaches the margin call. And you're probably thinking, what is a margin call? So the margin call or liquidation price is the collateral's asset value, which they'd have to liquidate your loan. So the amount is calculated due to it being able to compensate the issued loan if the collateral's value drops in price significantly. So guys, pretty much everything is very simple. I mean, the moment you realize that there are very few questions to be answered, and it just, puts us in a position where we know things are very, very straightforward and simple. And that is what I like. I like simplicity. I like when I can understand how it works, and for it to be very, very accessible. So it gives you a lot of possibility, okay? You can buy more cryptos. I mean, that is the point here. Guys, as we know, the layer 2 solution's coming out, and we know everything's going to explode in price, and it's going to go up 100 times or whatever, and then you're paying just a small percentage on it, on whatever you take out. And what you're going to be making in the future is going to absolutely skyrocket. You could be turning into millionaires that quickly, okay, through some very, very good, interesting decisions. Now, you can optimize your taxes, okay, maximize your tax efficiency. Getting a crypto loan and spending are non-taxable events because they do not generate direct earnings. Guys, if you were, okay, taking out some other loans, who knows, you might be having to deal with some taxes. But here, guys, it's non-taxable events. So again, another interesting point that can be made. You can make huge purchases, guys. Perhaps you never get that much money, and now you finally have it. Now you can finally even make more money out of it, and then you can reinvest into crypto holdings or make your company grow, whatever it is. If you've got a big project coming up and you want to build it, for example, on the layer 2 solution, hey, here you have it, guys. A lot of positive features that it can provide for you, okay? And it's very, very popular, okay? In popularity, it's definitely growing. We've got a lot of influencers using it. I've heard a lot of investors also are very interested, and that's how they already made big chunks of money, because they saw potential, they saw an opportunity. Maybe they were low on cash, whatever it was, on money, on crypto, and bang, Bang. That's how they went in. And also, if you want, to go into savings and you want to earn some interest, that's more with your, stable coins. Also, great opportunity, 7%. Okay, that's more than what banks can offer you. So another great deal in 1 year. And I would say that it could even beat the inflation in most cases. So a lot of interesting points here. The interesting point here is that they are so open to working with so many coins, tokens, cryptos. They're really expanding in the crypto world that, for us, within the SHIB ecosystem, for those of you that hold Shiba Inu, Bone, Leash, whatever it is, they actually even created information, supporting the Bone token. So let me just show you this. This is very interesting. So it says, why take a Bone loan? Okay, so crypto loans provide several unique advantages, including increased liquidity, more efficient capital utilization, the ability to access funds without selling, and enhanced portfolio diversification. Additionally, interest rates on crypto loans are typically much lower than those of traditional loans, allowing borrowers to access funds at much lower cost. Finally, these loans provide additional peace of mind since crypto collateral is held security in a cold storage wallet. Okay, so some ideas for you to why you should actually take out this Bone loan. For example, gain profit from volatility. Okay, so as an example here, we've got, if the exchange rate of the collateral currency goes up, your loan at Coinrabbit does not change. For example, you got a loan against 10,000 Bone with 90% LTV when its price was 0.8 and you got 90% of your collateral, 7,200. You need to repay the amount to get your Bone collateral back. When the Bone price goes up to 1.3, you still need to repay with 7,200, no more. So when you repay the loan, you actually get $13,000 instead of $8,000. As such, crypto loans provide users with a unique opportunity to leverage their assets while potentially earning a profit at the same time. So guys, it's a win-win situation for both sides, and there's so much volatility. And like I've said, with Shibarium, it's going to be absolutely crazy. And you may be thinking, well, it's so actually risky to take out that money. Because we are working here with money at the end of the day, although we can say cryptos if that helps. But on the other hand, when you see your cryptos absolutely explode, you're going to be thanking me and you're going to be like, damn, this is insane. If we've got massive whales already going in, if we've got so many investors playing a role, it is all for the benefit. So you can make a huge purchase and continue holding, optimize taxes, risk management techniques. So all that stuff I've already discussed. And then how to work with Bone volatility to avoid liquidation. So Bone crypto volatility can lead to liquidation. When you use your Bone to take a loan, you should monitor your loan status. Coinrabbit offers an instant alert system using messages to alert users in the event of a possible liquidation. So that is also a very important point, okay, that you are getting notified. You're not left there with, struggles. Actually, they put the effort to make it a better and more safer, secure experience for you guys. And then you can also, you can always add more collateral to adjust the liquidation price of your loan. Loan collateral Coinrabbit isn't frozen. Therefore, liquidation prices are adjusted immediately by adding more collateral, repaying your loan. What is also important, you can add more collateral at any time while the loan is open and decrease LTV. For example, a minimum loan LTV at Coinrabbit is 50%. When you are getting a loan at Coinrabbit, you can increase collateral immediately after opening. So the LTV will decrease at the percent that would be comfortable for you. So there is just so much flexibility, guys. That is why I really encourage you to go and check them out, their site, because they really have thought how to run this thing smoothly. Okay, so both sides benefit. And then, the steps to getting a Bone loan, you go to the home page. On the home page, on the loan calculate section, select Bone crypto as your preferred collateral. Guys, you can see a screenshot here. I could even do it myself. Enter the amount of Bone Shiba swap you want to deposit as collateral, and the calculator will show you the loan amounts you'll receive, and click get loan. Okay, so after clicking getting loan, you'll ask to confirm the details, enter your stablecoin address, and verify your email. Simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. Bang. And then you just send BONE to the displayed address. After you receive your collateral, the loan will be sent to you immediately. So BONE crypto loans with Coinrabbit is a great tool for crypto investors and holders. You can use crypto loan to optimize your taxes. And guys, we've covered all these points here. It just, in my opinion, it really is a good long-term vision. Okay, if you see that there isn't that much cash that you would rather borrow because it is annoying having to go out and maybe ask other lenders that are going crazy with these interest rates, this is genuinely the solution. This is built for cryptos. If it's running and if it's successful, it's for a reason. People are genuinely capitalizing on it. You think they are becoming so rich just through their own money? Guys, a lot of them are borrowing, a lot of them are doing their due diligence, and cryptos are built to make it more secure and safer for you, okay? So, as I've said, this is something that you guys should really go out and consider. I mean, if you don't like it, then you don't like it, but if you see that we as the whole ecosystem will be experiencing massive hikes in price very soon, then hey, especially at these prices, guys, if you look at BONE here, I mean, these are golden price. I know it'll change, I know it'll go up maybe by the time this video is released, but always check it out, have a look at it. And also don't remember that their assets, okay, the client's assets on this platform are on cold wallets and they don't reinvest them. So that is assuring, okay? We don't want some panic. We don't want our funds going into some dodgy places. So we have already that security. So if you're, as I said, if you're a trader and you want to make more money, then it's an opportunity for tax optimization, for making a huge purchase, or for companies to reinvest. It is all here provided, all these benefits. And you may be sitting there, you're like, well, what is he talking about? He's really diving deep into this. Guys, why not? There are so many opportunities. These are genuinely up for grabs. And if you can do the numbers, if you can do the maths, if you can work it out, then why not? Okay, if it's that simple. And like I've said, this platform is very interesting because already people are making money out of this, okay? And probably you've never even thought of such a situation. Probably you didn't even know that you've got these crypto lending platforms. You'd always think, well, I need to go to the bank or something like that. But this is designed for cryptos, and you are watching this video because you're probably a crypto holder yourself. So working with a platform, that monitors the client's loans, every moment, every day, making sure everything is safe, that you're not, in very risky positions, and it doesn't, well, you personally don't reach any limit zones, is amazing. And being notified about it, so it's not only that it's a win-win situation, but you're generally like in a safe zone, and it's that quick. So I will leave down in the comment section on the description box as well all the details about this, okay? Please go out and check it out, like it and don't like it, but you should definitely have a look. If you've got a game plan and you wanted to expand your game plan, and if you don't have enough money, enough capital, but you know that your vision is so strong it's going to explode, perhaps this could be a massive savior. I'm not even kidding at this point. This is designed for cryptos. This is the whole point why it's so successful, is because it works. Do you know what I mean? A lot of businesses out there, for example, when they want to start up their business, they're going to the banks, okay? They're taking out loans. With cryptos, I mean, it's so hard. It'd be very hard to go to a bank and say, hey, I want to invest in a crypto, because they would probably see it as very risky. But here, guys, everything is planned out for you. I mean, I don't know how much safer it can be. So it's definitely an opportunity out there. Check it out, Coinrabbit.io. While things are looking quite, stable, good, perhaps, things could change in the future, but while you have this opportunity, why don't you capitalize on it? Okay, it's way way quicker, way more efficient than going to like the traditional exchanges trying to borrow money. This is just a few clicks away. Okay, and knowing that your transactions are safe and secure already is a massive game changer. Okay, and remember, this is a booming cryptocurrency market, and there are so many things that can be taken advantage of, and that we can really make it pump. So don't sleep on it. Okay, because this crypto exchange offers you something very different to like the traditional exchanges that will make you go through a lot of headaches. So don't hesitate, go visit Coinrabbit.io. They've got everything. If you, like I've said, if that is of interest, then you might as well start now, because you never know, the prices are exploding, bonus changing, Shiba Inu will be changing, everything is very cheap, and the whales are coming. The big exchange is going to be listing Bone token, for example. So guys, I'm telling you, we've got literally days left until we see massive pumps in price. And although it looks like the markets are going down, remember, the markets are all in a wave type of form, okay? Dips, highs, dips, highs, dips, highs. Simple as that. So please do check it out. This is very interesting. And if you have any thoughts, leave them down below in the comment section. It would be interesting to know what you think. Have you ever done, have you ever borrowed crypto before? And don't forget to subscribe, hit that notifications bell, because guys, we are growing like no tomorrow. So many interesting things are coming out. There's a lot of money to be made within the SHIB ecosystem. Shibarium, a lot of developments. So all that stuff I will keep you as updated as possible. And guys, just want to say a big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.